Hey everyone, if you want to connect to a remote computer using AnyDesk in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step process to establish a secure remote connection. First, make sure AnyDesk is installed and open on both devices. Both the local and remote computers need to have the app running. Next, on the remote computer, find the AnyDesk address. Yeah, this unique ID is what you'll use to connect. Now on your computer, type the remote AnyDesk address into the remote desk field. This is how the connection request starts. Click Connect to send a request. So the remote device will receive a prompt asking for permission. On the remote computer, click Accept to allow access. Without approval, the connection won't start. If unattended access is enabled, you may need to enter a password instead. Yeah, this allows secure access without manual approval. Now wait a few seconds while AnyDesk establishes the connection. Once connected, you'll see the remote desktop screen. Once connected, you can control the remote computer, move the mouse, and use the keyboard just like you're sitting in front of it. If needed, adjust display quality for better performance. So lower settings can help if the connection is slow. When you're done, simply disconnect the session from the toolbar. Yeah, this safely ends the remote connection. And that's it. You've successfully connected to a remote computer using AnyDesk. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.